How are you doing, folks? James Farr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 2018 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. It comes in this black metallic finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, front parking sensors, BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, privacy glass in the rear complemented by the silver trim, shark fin antenna on top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, rear parking sensors and twin exhausts. You also have the automatic trunk, rear parking sensors and LED lighting. Now let's take a look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you notice the BMW multifunctional sports paddle shift, sports steering wheel with the fully digital cockpit that comes in a comfort mode, sports mode and an Eco Pro mode. You have fully electric windows, automatic lighting, automatic windscreen wipers. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish, complemented by customizable ambient lighting. Unfortunately you can't see it at the minute just because it's a little bright outside. You have the BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission, rear parking sensors like I said, the BMW teleservice, heated seats, keyless push button start, the BMW SOS service system on board and many other extras. Now that was just a quick look around this BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this car, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.